Hello student, today we are starting the 12th exercise, and in this exercise we learn about the parameter. Okay, so what is parameter? First of all we will discuss about this. Parameter is the distance around the edge of a figure. So for example you can see here this is a calculator. Okay, ये जो कैलकुलेटर दिया हुआ है, कैलकुलेटर के आसपास का ये जो एरिया कवर्ड है ना, इस ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू, तो ये आउटर एरिया इट इज़ कॉल्ड अ पैरामीटर. ओके, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का जो आउटर एरिया होगा इट इज़ कॉल्ड अ पैरामीटर. एंड दिस स्पेस इट इज़ अ एरिया. ओके, ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट है इसके थ्रू जो ये कवर्ड एरिया है इट इज़ अ एरिया, एंड द आउटर एरिया ऑफ दिस ऑब्जेक्ट इट इज़ कॉल्ड perimeter. Okay, so area is the amount of surface of figure that covered by the object. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you this one. So let's see the E question of first. Here is length is 70 centimeter and breadth is 90 centimeter. Okay, so we know about the formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Okay, so we will write here the value of length is 70 plus breadth is 90 centimeter. 90 plus 70 160, and we will multiply 2 6 are 12, 2 carry 1 2 1 are 23, 320 centimeter. Okay, let's see the second question. Find the perimeter of these squares. So we can find the perimeter of these squares are, here is given a side of square in centimeter. हमको जो स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर में क्या दिया हुआ है, साइड्स दी हुई, इनकी वैल्यू दी है 3 5 11 18 25 30 41 55 63 एंड 92. ओके, सो पेरीमीटर इन सेंटीमीटर. हमको क्या करना है, पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करना है स्क्वायर्स का. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर? पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर yes. A is already solved, B is 5. Okay, so we will take the B is 5. So formula for the square 4 multiply A. So 4 multiply and A is 5. 4 5 is 20. So we will write here 20. Perimeter in centimeter is 20. Perimeter of this square. So हम square का perimeter निकाल रहे हैं, तो we'll write here the formula of 4 multiply A. A is the side of square. So we'll write here the value. Side of square is 5 11 18 25 30. Okay, so we'll put here only the value of 11. Next is perimeter of square 4 multiply A. 4 multiply value of A is 11. So we'll write here 11. 11 for the 44. So 44 centimeter. Okay, so you will solve the next C, D and E all so on. Okay, third one is, third question, find the perimeter of this rectangle. So how you can find out the perimeter of this rectangle? Because here is already given length is in centimeter, length दी हुई है, breadth दी हुई है, and we will find the perimeter. So it is very simple. Third question, B is length is 2 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter. So we will put here only the formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth. So length is 2 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So 4 plus 2 6 and then 6 to the 12. Okay, so you can find the perimeter of these rectangles. Next is the perimeter is given, find the side of the square. So in your fourth question you can see here, fourth question, the value of perimeter is 40, 64, 96, 120 and 172. Okay, next. So side of square in centimeter, how we will find out the side of square? तो हमें पता है side of square is A. So we will find out, and we will write here the parameter of square is 4 multiply a. This is the formula of parameter of square. Square 4 into a. So we will find the a, and perimeter of square is 40. हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? P is 40. P is 40. Here B, A is already solved. B, we will find the B1. B is 40, and write here the value for 4 and A, and B perimeter is 40. Okay, so this one we will find out. हमें इसको find करना है, तो we'll write here, and then 40 upon 4. 4 1s are 4 and 4 10s are 40. So A is 10. We will write here 10. Okay. Next is 64. C is 64. A हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? 64. So we'll write here perimeter of square formula is 4 into A. So we'll put here P is 64 and divide by 4. Okay. So we'll 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and 2 6 are 12, 16 centimeter. Okay. So this exercise is finished here. I think everything is understand, and all the doubts are clear. If you have any doubts, so you can ask me, or to practice. Thank you so much.